everybody, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I'm on to another party. This is the third party already, and I made a wonderful, what is this called? Banana pudding, nutty butter, dessert. So we are headed to a family gathering, and I'm gonna go home and I have enough banana pudding to make another dessert. So I'm gonna show you how to make a nice eclair, really simple dessert that tastes awesome for the holidays. That's super simple, you can put together. Okay, I think I'm ready for the third party. Breathe, breathe. What you got, Grandma? Ooh, pretty paper.
Oh man.
I want some of those. That's not fair, Grandma.
Here, save it for next year.
What?
That's pretty good.
Yeah, isn't that cute?
Card. That is nice.
Oh, those are good.
Oh yeah. Those little
Cookies.
Yeah, those are good. You like those?
I have not gotten that far. I have not
Can't even
gotten
tell me
that
that.
far. I haven't thought about what to buy.
Oh, coffee.
And coffee and cookies. The afternoon snack time, Grandma. Well, I'm back from the Christmas party, and one of my favorite things are these Christmas peanut butter balls my aunt makes for us, and she let me have some goodies to take home. Look at what she made. She made these wonderful minty Oreo, kind of like an Oreo fudge. I like to make these with Sophia a lot. I've never tried like the mint kind. She made these little church windows. Isn't that cute? I use colored marshmallows in mine, but my kids love to make these. Really awesome. Okay, everybody, I'm going to show you a really easy recipe to make for the holidays. Here is what we made earlier. And this is what's left. But it's like a banana nutter butter dessert. And we are going to make a really simple dessert with the rest of it. And all this is whipped topping. Now you can use any kind of whipped topping. And I bought banana pudding and put the rest in here. So this is like half whipped topping, half banana pudding. You can use vanilla pudding, whatever pudding that you want to use to make this dessert. And then you just mix the two together. It's super simple. But first, we're gonna put our graham crackers down. Now, I tend to like the cinnamon graham crackers, but this is what I have on hand at home. Okay, so we are gonna take our graham crackers, and it doesn't have to be fancy. Now this dish I've actually had since high school, believe it or not. High school. So you're just gonna line the bottom with your graham crackers. I know I'm not very fancy, right? I am not very fancy. You can make it look nicer if you want. I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna line the bottom. Make it a nice even line. And then all you do is take your mixture, and this was made earlier when I made the other dessert, and we're just going to plop it in there. Look at this, isn't this cute? So this is the mixture. You can use any kind of pudding you want. And we're, see, I'm not fancy. We're gonna layer this. If you need something to make for like a dessert for going away to a get together and you want to just quick throw something together that doesn't cost a lot of money, This is a really great staple, and most people have these items at home. So all you're gonna do is layer this. Really pretty. Ooh, it smells wonderful. I like the banana pudding. This is what I had on hand just because I was making a banana pudding with bananas. And vanilla is good. You know, you can add a little bit of your own vanilla too. Okay, so then what you're gonna do is layer again. So easy, you guys, so easy. And this tastes wonderful. Everybody likes it. I haven't met one person that doesn't like this. And because we're not going to another get-together, this means that my family gets to eat this whole thing all by themselves. I'm gonna open another package of yummy graham crackers. And I will put the recipe in the link to what I use. There we go. That looks good to me. You can add as much as you want, as little as you want. It doesn't matter. That's what makes this recipe so great and so delicious. It really isn't that unhealthy either. It really isn't at all. I would say the most unhealthy thing in here would be your graham crackers. And of course, the fudge topping we're gonna put on the top, you know. I guess that would be bad. Hey, Sophia, do you wanna help me make this little dessert?
What are you making?
It's like an eclair dessert. Yeah, she's like, ooh, yummy. Okay, so then we're gonna do this. I'm just kind of doing like a how-to make this yummy dessert. And she's washing her hands, which is always important to do, especially when making food for other people, right? That's the number one thing, wash your hands. Okay, that looks pretty good. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. Look at this. Doesn't that look good? Yum. Okay. I'm gonna save a little bit for myself for breakfast. Okay. All right. So guess what's next, Sophia? Okay. What do we got? Look at. We got some whipped frosting. You can use any frosting you want. I also bought just some like hot fudge. You can put anything on the top you want. You know, you can use hot fudge or whatever. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for like 30 seconds. I'm gonna take this off. You can find these pretty much anywhere. You have to take this part off, obviously, if you want to put it in the microwave. Okay. Yummy! Are you excited for this? It's like a donut cake. Like a donut cake. Okay, here you go. You can just plop this and drizzle it on the top if you want. Yeah, there you go. You can't go wrong. Just gotta smother it all over the place. Let me get like a. Here, I'll clean the spatula and we can just use this again. Ooh! Do you want to use this to get the rest out? Okay. There, because it's heated up. I think the dog wants some, but she cannot have chocolate, so. Sorry, Susan, you cannot have any. Sorry. Ooh, that looks really good. Yum. Here, let me see. I'll get the rest out and or do you want to do this part? If you want to do this part, you can too. Otherwise, I'll finish it. Would you like to do it?
Okay.
You can. All right. So neither one of us has made this before. It's a great little dessert to get your kids involved, right? Ooh, that that looks good. And you know, when you make it for yourself, it doesn't have to be completely perfect either, right? Yeah, that looks really good, Sophia. Good job. Ooh. Eclair dessert looks wonderful. Just kind of put this in there. Make sure we don't waste any. We like to not waste, right? There. Okay. There we go. There's my eclair dessert. And that looks wonderful. This goes in the fridge for a couple hours and then it will be ready to go. Nice and yummy. Okay, so you might hear a fan in the background because I may have almost started a fire making a bratwurst. Something I do in the Christmas time is just kind of buy a lot of pre-made things because it just saves time and energy, and I'm already exhausted. So it's already cut up for me, and I'm gonna make a really nice salad, super easy. And all I'm gonna do is just throw some lettuce in. And I mean, like a brat with some onions. It's very charcoal. I'm gonna put this on top and I'm gonna add some dressing, and that's gonna be my nice, simple, healthy dinner, especially after all the treats that we ate today. Look at what we have. We have these little kitty cat advent calendars. I have 2 of them because Susan loves little kitty treats too. Hey, we're just making it work. So look at it. I got this for little Tommy. How do you get this? Oh, it's like little treats every day. Is that what it is every single day? Here you go, little boy. There you go. Oh, there you go. So I don't know where I got these, but I bought them a couple months ago. Probably right after Christmas. I'm gonna open 1 and 2. They're the same. Okay, are you sitting pretty? Are you sitting pretty? Do you want Titi? Hi, Susan. Look at the snow. First snow of the season. Susan's having fun and it's cold outside. It is cold. Okay, Susan, are you ready? Are you ready to come in? Do you want to come in? Come on, baby. You want Titi? Titi. Come on, Susan.
Merry Christmas!